In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a new user to your Xero organization. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill in, and how to choose the right level of access so your new teammate can get started smoothly. Before we begin, make sure you have permission to manage users in your organization. Typically, that means being a subscriber or an admin. Start on your Xero dashboard. Look for your company name at the top of the screen and click it. This opens a quick menu for your organization, and it's the easiest way to reach the key admin areas you'll need. From that menu, select Settings. Settings is the hub for everything about your organization's configuration, and it's where user access is managed. So this is the right place to be. Inside Settings, click Users. The Users section shows everyone who currently has access, their roles, and their status. It's also where you'll create a new invitation. Now click Invite a user. This opens a simple form. You'll enter a few details and then choose what the person can do once they're in your organization. Type the person's first name and last name. Using their correct legal name helps with clear audit trails and makes it easier to identify who did what in reports and activity logs. Next, enter their email address. Double check for typos here. This is the address Xero will send the invitation to, and the person won't be able to join if the email is wrong. It's best to use their work email so access stays tied to your organization. Now choose their permissions. You'll see options across areas like projects, business, and accounting. Only give the access they genuinely need. For example, enable projects if they'll track time and project costs. Turn on business permissions if they need to work with quotes, invoices, or contacts, and adjust accounting access if they'll be reconciling bank statements, posting journals, or viewing reports. If you're unsure, start with minimal access and expand later. This helps keep your data secure and your audit trail clean. When everything looks right, click Send Invite. Xero will email the person a secure link to join your organization. On your users page, you'll see their status as pending until they accept. If they can't find the email, ask them to check their spam folder, and you can always resend the invitation or revoke it from the same user screen if needed. That's it. You've invited a new user to your Xero organization with the right details and the right permissions to get them up and running safely.